12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1st, Chapter number 4, Pair of Straight Lines. Dear students, we are going to study examples on angle between lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. That is the combined line passing through the origin. Examples. First, find the combined equation of lines passing through the origin and making an angle pi by 6 with the line 3x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. We have to find equation of combined line. This line make an angle pi divided by 6 with the line. Here, from this line we find the slope of the line, and combined line its slope is suppose m. The angle between these two lines is pi by 6. Therefore, we use the formula tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. Use this formula, then we find the equation in terms of slope. Using this, we find combined equation of line. Solution. Let m be the slope of one of the lines which make angle pi by 6 with the line 3x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Here is combined lines, means two lines. One of the lines, suppose its slope is denoted by m. This line make an angle pi by 6 with the line. This is given line. Its slope of the given line is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y is equal to minus 3 divided by 1 equal to minus 3. Angle between these lines is pi by 6. We use the formula tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. Suppose slope of first line is m1 equal to m, and m2 means slope of the given line is minus 3. Then using this formula tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. We take here m1 equal to m and m2 equal to minus 3. Theta is pi by 6. Then tan of pi by 6 equal to m minus, here is minus 3, 1 plus m into minus 3. Tan pi by 6, its values. Pi by 6 means tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 divided by root 3 equal to, here is minus minus plus m plus 3. M into minus 3 minus 3m. Hence 1 divided by root 3 equal to mod of m plus 3 divided by 1 minus 3m. Take square on both sides. Then here is 1 by 3 equal to m plus 3 square into 1 minus 3m bracket square. Taking cross multiply we get 1 minus 3m bracket square equal to 3 into m plus 3 square. Here is first term 1 square is 1, minus 3m square is 9m square, 2 into first term into second term, then minus 6m equal to 3 into m square plus 2 into 3 6 into m 6m plus 3 square is 9. Then 9m square minus 6m plus 1 equal to 3 multiplied by all terms, 3 into m square 3m square, 3 into 6m 18m, 3 into 9 27. Take all term on LHS and simplifying we get, here is 9m square minus 3m square is 6m square. Minus 6m, here is take on LHS minus 18m, minus 6m minus 18m minus 24m. Plus 1 plus 27 take on LHS 1 minus 27 is minus 26 equal to 0. Then divide by 2 we get 3m square minus 12m minus 13 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation in terms of slope of two lines, and their joint equation is obtained by putting m equal to y divided by x. As these lines is passing through the origin, therefore its equation is y equal to mx. Therefore put m equal to y divided by x, then the combined equation of two lines is, this is auxiliary equation, put m equal to y divided by x, then combined equation we get 3 into, here is put m equal to y divided by x bracket square minus 12 into m is y divided by x minus 13 equal to 0. 3. Y square divided by x square minus 12y divided by x minus 13 equal to 0. For simplify, multiply this equation by x square. Then x square cancel 3y square minus x square divided by x is x, then minus 12xy minus 13 into x square equal to 0. Take the x square term on first term, then xy, then y square, and changing the sign we get 13x square plus 12xy minus 3y square equal to 0. Example second. Find the combined equation of lines passing through the origin and each of which making angle 60 degree with the x-axis. Again same type of example. Solution. Let m be the slope of one of the required lines. The slope of x-axis is 0. Here is slope of x-axis is 0. We know that. Required line make angle 60 degree with the x-axis. We find the combined lines. It's one of the line have slope m. This line make an angle 60 degree with the x-axis. We know that slope of x-axis is 0. Then suppose the slope of combined line is denoted by m. Also the second line is x-axis. Its slope m2 is denoted by 0. Then tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. Put here m1 equal to m and m2 equal to 0. Then tan of 60 degree equal to m minus 0 1 plus m into 0. Tan 60, its value is root 3 equal to m minus 0 is m. Here 0 into m is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore m divided by 1 means m mod of m. Square on both sides we get 3 equal to m square. We write m square equal to 3. Take 3 on LHS, then we get m square minus 3 equal to 0. As term of m is absent, we take m square plus 0 into m means 0 minus 3 equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation of two lines and their joint equation is obtained by putting m equal to y divided by x. Combined lines passing through the origin. Its equation is y equal to mx. Therefore, put m equal to y divided by x in this equation. We get the combined equation of two lines is y divided by x square, put here m equal to y divided by x plus 0 into m is y divided by x minus 3 equal to 0. Then square y square divided by x square plus 0 into y by x 0 minus 3 equal to 0. Then multiply this equation by x square, we get y square minus 0 into x square 0 minus 3 into x square 3x square equal to 0. Changing the sign, we get 3x square minus y square equal to 0, which is the combined line. Example 3. Find the joint equation of pair of lines through the origin, each of which making an angle 30 degree with the line 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. Here is angle between combined line and this line is 30 degree. Find the equation of combined line. Solution. Suppose let OA and OB two lines through the origin. The combined lines are OA and OB, that is passing through the origin, each making an angle 30 degree with the line 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0. Suppose the line OA make an angle 30 degree with this line, or also OB make an angle 30 degree with this line. Take one of the lines, its slope, that is let the slope of OA or OB is equal to m. The slope of the given line 3x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0 is minus coefficient of x is 3 divided by coefficient of y is 2, that is minus 3 divided by 2, and angle between the line OA or OB or the given line is 30 degree, theta equal to 30 degree, that is in radian pi by 6. Therefore we get, use the formula tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. Here we take m1 equal to m and m2 equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Therefore, tan of 30 degree, theta is 30 degree, equal to m1 minus m2 means m minus 3 by 2 minus minus plus m plus 3 by 2. Then 1 plus, here is m1 is m and m2 is minus 3 by 2. Here take minus sign. minus 3 by 2. Tan 30, its value is 1 by root 3. Here is m plus 3 by 2, 1 minus. M into 3 by 2 is minus 3m divided by 2. 1 divided by root 3 equal to. Take in numerator 2 is LCM, therefore 2m plus 3 divided by 2. Here is also on denominator 2 is LCM, then 2 minus 3m divided by 2 cancel. We get 1 divided by root 3 equal to mod of 2m plus 3 divided by 2 minus 3m. For simplify, we take square on both sides. Yes, square is 1 by root 3 square is 1 by 3 equal to 2m plus 3 bracket square 2m minus 3m bracket square 1 by 3. Simplify the square. 2m square is 4m square. 2 into first term into second term, we get 12m plus 3 square is 9. Here 2 square is 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into minus 3, minus 12 into m minus 12m plus minus 3m square is plus 9m square. Take the cross multiply. 1 into minus 4m plus 9m square is 4 minus 12m plus 9m square equal to 3 into 4m square plus 12m plus 9. Here we take 9m square on first term, then 9m square minus 12m plus 4 equal to 3 into 4m square is 12m square. 3 into 12m is 36m. 3 into 9 is 27. Take all the terms on LHS, we get 9m square minus 12m square minus 12m and minus 36m plus 4 minus 27 equal to 0. 9m square minus 12m square is minus 3m square. Minus 12m minus 36m minus 48m. 4 minus 27 minus 23 equal to 0. Changing the sign, we get 3m square plus 48m plus 23 equal to 0, denoted by equation 1. This is the auxiliary equation of combined lines, that is, the line in terms of slope. Therefore, equation of OA or OB is passing through the origin. Its equation is y equal to mx. For simplifying, we get m equal to y divided by x. Substitute in equation 1, we get here is 3m square, m is y divided by x bracket square plus 48m, m is y divided by x plus 23 equal to 0. 3 square is y square divided by x square plus 48 into y divided by x plus 23 equal to 0. 3 into y square divided by x square plus 48y divided by x plus 23 equal to 0. Here multiply by x square, then we get 3y square, x square cancel plus x square into x square divided by x into 48y equal to 48xy plus 23x square equal to 0. Take 23x square on first term, 23x square plus 48xy plus 3y square equal to 0, which is the required combined equation of lines. Thank you.